Visualization and display technology is one of the key areas we're seeing at this show. It becomes more important with simulation. And I'm with Mike Callahan, who's from RGB Spectrum. Mike, you're doing a lot in this business now, aren't you?
Yes, in fact, simulation is a major portion of our revenue. 40% of our business is military, and about 3/4 of that is simulation.
What area of the simulation are you actually involved in?
Well, we actually are involved in full mission simulators and also pilot simulators for any type of fixed and rotary wing aircraft. And this is global. That goes from the United States to virtually all types of countries around the world, and any type of branch of the military, from the Navy to the Air Force to the Marines and Special Forces.
And what does it bring to the training side to be able to have this simulation?
Well, simulation is a very fast-growing segment for the military, because it's much more cost-effective and efficient to have simulations rather than putting human beings in the aircraft themselves. You can perform a myriad of different types of scenarios that will challenge the crew, will allow them to be creative and deal with tactical situations without imperiling the crew in an actual aircraft. So, for example, you can have hundreds of hours of simulation for a pittance of the cost of actually putting the crews and the pilots in the actual aircrafts themselves.
Now also, if we look at the current environment, there are issues with North Korea, and your equipment has been used recently, hasn't it, in the testing?
Yes, so the Theater High Altitude Area Defense System, which is called THAAD, is a ICBM missile defense system that is kinetic. So it actually does not explode, it simply intercepts the projectile and takes it out of the atmosphere before it re-enters. And our equipment is used to do the testing at Kwajalein Atoll in the Pacific and Barking Sands in Kauai. And that information during the missile test is sent to Schriever Air Force Base in Colorado, relayed to Redstone Arsenal in Alabama, and then relayed again to the Department of Defense for forensic analysis of telemetry and intercept capabilities.
So a real global business.
Absolutely, and very timely as well.
Michael, thank you very much.